If your income is on the lower side, but you're aiming to buy a home, there are programs designed to make that goal more reachable. One option to look into is the Housing Choice Voucher Homeownership program. It can help cover some of the upfront and ongoing costs of owning a home, including monthly mortgage payments. To qualify, you need to already be part of the Housing Choice Voucher program, which is available to people who meet certain income limits. Every area sets its own rules, so it's worth checking if your local public housing agency offers the home ownership option. Not every location does, and in some places, there might be a waiting list before you can even get a voucher. If you already have a voucher, you can ask to use it for buying a home instead of renting. This means the assistance you normally get for rent could go toward your mortgage instead. The process involves contacting your local public housing agency, finding out if the program is available in your area, and following their application steps. The key is to start by confirming eligibility, then gather the required documents and apply as early as possible, especially if your area has limited spots.